Hey, good afternoon. It's Monday here. Just gonna shoot a quick video today. Just discuss a few things. Not a lot happened in the market as far as the charts are concerned. A few small reversals. Want to start off the Kansas City wheat here. Just looking at the wheat complex and just kind of discuss what's going on here. Wheat Kansas City was up 10, still showing a little bit of strength. Did fall off from the overnight high. Not surprising seeing the action in the rest of the market. Chicago wheat was actually down and had a reversal. Uh, but as far as Kansas City wheat goes, we're above our line. We're above the daily cloud. So we're going to continue to, keep not, we come unhedged there last week, and we want to stay that way until we start breaking these again, and we'll keep you informed on our ideas on that. But as of now, we're just going to kind of sit and hold and stay neutral as far as the cash is concerned. If you have any questions, evidently as always, don't hesitate to reach out. One thing I want to point out here, get out of here. Hold on just a sec. We do want to point out, we've talked about this before, it is the spread between the Kansas City and Chicago wheat market. It's continuing to make new highs, all-time highs. We're like $1.90 on the July contracts. If you go out to December, Chicago, where that market's really trading on new crop, it's more like a buck down here in the $1.50, $1.60 range. So it's we're just discussing in this office, how high can this go? How long can it last as far as that spread? Will Chicago pull it down? Because Chicago is actually, not nearly as strong. It's the resistance here that used to be support held on today as it tested it. If Chicago can break through here, maybe we can see more of a short coverings from the Chicago guys. They are pretty short. They got shorter last week. Off the Commitment of Traders report, we could see that, the data that was released Friday, the information was collected last Tuesday, so that was the bottoming of the market. So, we think we see some short coverings in Kansas City, probably not too much in Chicago quite yet. I really think you're probably going to have to break through today's high in Chicago and maybe even up above 680. So going back to this, our question is whether this can just keep running, because we know we don't have the hard red winter crop coming that we need to really collapse that too hard. It's just a matter of, will it just stay this strong as far as the spread going clear till we get the soft red harvest. So be interesting to watch and see what happens there. But as far as the Kansas City wheat, we sure say stay neutral and don't put any new sales on at this point until we see some market action that tells us to do that. Going to the corn, July corn tested $6 again. Couldn't quite get through it. It's holding these resistance levels at 6. Sure would like to see that poke through and get going a little bit. But as of now, just not much to talk about as far as today's action. December corn was off. If I can find that one, that's just, hold on a minute, that's 24. Oh, shoot, hold on a minute. Let me make this a little bigger. It didn't have a great day today, but if you look at some of the shorter term charts, it's holding the 4-hour cloud and the hour cloud. So if we'd like to see this bounce and not give up those two clouds, if it does that, we may have to start getting rehedged again. We pulled those off thinking we were getting a more bigger rally. We still think that might be coming, but if we do break the 4-hour and 1-hour clouds, which I can shoot down real quick, if we break these levels of 520 or so, because that's both basically the bottom of both of these, we may think about rehedging and definitely blow the lows of 515, 512, we're definitely going to want to re-hedge some December corn. Beans, we'll jump to, if I can find it. Here's the July soybean contract. Did have a reversal. We bounced off the bottom of the daily cloud. Not suspecting not to just blow through that. Beans don't have quite the story yet. But we do have a lot of support down in this $14 to $13.85 levels. We don't want to see those given up as far as, unless you want it to die. Below these, you've got to make sure you got all your old crops sold. And as far as the new crop, again, the shorter term charts should show some more rally here. But again, if it breaks these levels down here, we're going to want to re-hedge any new crop soybeans that we pulled off last week. Again, if you have any questions, that's all I really have for you. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out. As always, there's risk in futures and options trading, and don't trade in any more than you can afford to lose and in light of your financial conditions. So have a great day, and we'll see you in a couple days.